Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the ToVi X1 Standard Decoder module, which is part of the brand new ToVi solution from OREI, which allows you to easily create a flexible and expandable AV over IP solution for sharing all of your media content across your entire network up to 328 feet away from the primary location. This product fully supports high-definition media content and is both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.4 compliant, which means it's going to work great with all of your modern media equipment. It also provides audio extraction capabilities where it can digitally separate the audio component from the media being sent here and allows you to pass that along through an analog connection on the rear to a soundbar, home stereo, or amplifier system for that full theater experience. The product also fully supports the PoE standard, which means when you plug this into a PoE capable switch, you can eliminate the need for a power supply because all the power required for this module is sent across that LAN connection. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the module, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you open up the box, you'll find the single module. You'll find a 12 volt 1 amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, which plugs directly into the back of the module, and you can finger tighten the collar to make sure it doesn't pop out. But because this module is PoE capable, when you plug this into a PoE switch, you won't have to worry about that power supply, which again greatly simplifies your wiring. You'll also find a bracketing kit included you can use to mount this module up off the ground and out of the way, and a set of connections for that audio extraction capability that makes connecting to the module easy. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the product that's important to understand so you can use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The product features a full metal enclosure, which makes it incredibly durable, and a really great choice for both commercial or residential installations. On the top of the cabinet, as well as along both sides, and even the bottom, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. You'll also find mounting holes on both sides that can be used with the included bracketing kit to mount this module up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is a power indicator. Once you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light the power LED, letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a link indicator. When you power this up and connect it to the network, it's going to start searching for that video network hub. Once it finds it and makes a connection, the link light will come on, indicating a solid connection to that video network hub. To the right of that is a 3-digit display that lets you know what channel this module is currently operating on, and you can change that by tapping these two buttons right here. You can also control it from the video network hub. To the right of that is a reset button. You can use a paper clip and gently push that button once power's been applied to reset the module to the factory settings if needed. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is a DC input port, and that's used with the power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. But again, because this module uses power over Ethernet technology, if you connect this to a PoE capable switch, you won't have to worry about that power supply. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled output. This connects to a monitor at that remote location you'd like to use to enjoy the content. To the right of that is a LAN port, and this is where you'll connect your network. Again, a PoE switch would be preferable. To the right of that is an audio output port. This unit provides audio extraction capabilities where it can separate the audio from the media content, then allows you to pass that along to a soundbar or home stereo, and you can use this connection with the connectors in the kit to actually pass that audio along. And then finally, this product also transfers RS-232 control signals, and if you'd like to take advantage of that feature, you can use the other connector in the kit to make your connection right there. That's pretty much it for the module. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the ToVi X1 Standard Decoder module with other products you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with the ToVi solution. This module is one part of that solution. The decoder module is located at one of your remote locations where you'd like to enjoy the content that's being sent across the network by an encoder module. So to use this, you'll need at least one encoder module, the decoder module, a video network hub, and some type of switch to create that networking backbone, preferably a PoE switch so you can eliminate the power supply. This unit fully supports high-definition media content and is both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.4 compliant, which means it's going to work great with most modern media equipment. It also provides audio extraction capabilities where it can digitally separate the audio component from the media being sent there and allows you to pass that along through this analog connection on the rear, again to a soundbar, home stereo, or amplifier system to really improve that audio quality. And then finally, it's PoE compliant, which means, again, if you plug this into a PoE switch, you won't need that power supply, which makes things a whole lot easier for the installation. And the best part about the ToVi solution is that it's totally software defined, which means you can add multiple decoders at various locations that all have the same media content being displayed. You can add additional encoders, so you can have multiple media streams being sent to different locations. It just gives you a lot more control. But with this module, everything you need to get started is included with the kit. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've enjoyed talking about it. I think it's a wonderful product, and I think you're going to really like it. So thanks again for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.